Why do I keep buying stuff? I don't know. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks for joining us. If you're not new, then thanks for coming back. Today's video is about stuff that I have purchased. I know with everything that's going on in the world, we should be social distancing, not going out to public places. We have 100% been doing that. The kids and I left the house once in the past week and a half to 2 weeks. And I had an appointment. The kids stayed in the car with my husband. But otherwise, we are not coming in contact with anybody because that is the smart thing to do. But I did place some orders a while ago and I received them. So I probably won't be doing another one of these videos for a while, just a heads up, because we won't be leaving the house. The stuff that I did get, some of it was just delivered like 30 minutes ago. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I did take my can of Lysol out there and spray the packages down and put them inside, and then I came upstairs while the Lysol and everything sit on there, and I washed my hands without touching anything. I just want to be really cautious because I am a mom and I have to worry about myself and my children's health and safety, and I'm just being cautious. So just a heads up on that. Anyway, I did get some really great stuff. I'm really happy with the stuff that I've gotten, that I've used, and the stuff that I've just got. But let's jump into it. So this actually just came in today. This is on Amazon. It was called a poly gel nail kit. It's taped. It's taped. Oh, there we go. So let me know if you want a review on this. And a lot of my content is not going to be my family vlog content like normal, because like I said, we're not leaving the house. We will not be leaving the house for a very, very long time. But it is a poly gel nail kit. So I went to YouTube and I Googled it. It comes with 2 of these. Maybe I'll do a little review on this so I can get in depth with it. But I got this. It comes with 2 different colors. One's white, or one's clear and one's not. It's basically like an acrylic nail kind of thing that you do yourself. Let me know if you want a review on it after I've done it, or while I'm doing it, I can do a first impressions kind of thing. The other thing I ordered was to go with that, and it's just glitter sparkles. I have a plan for what I'm doing. Not that I know that the plan will work, but I have a plan. The next thing I got, this came in today also, was a phone case. And I went for a very plain phone case. This is my phone case now, and it's clearly, I need a new one. But I went for a plain one so I could use my Cricut and put my own design on here. But I really love that my phone case has a ring to like hold. Like when I hold my phone, I stick my finger through the ring and I hold it. So I ordered a ring for myself to put on there, and it kind of has like some little glitter, sparkle, dazzly stuff on it. So I ordered that, but I don't have any of the stuff to actually make the design for the phone case. Like the vinyl that you stick on there. So, and I won't have that for a while. But whenever I get around to it, I'll get that done. The glitter ring thing came with like some, oh, I'm dropping stuff. Came with some wipes and stuff. I don't know. Then last week, I think, we had a drive-up pickup order at Target. I got some hair stuff because we really needed it. So I normally use Cantu products for the kids' hair. This one is leave-in conditioner and repair cream. Just because Tita's hair gets really tangled, and when I brush it, sometimes I break pieces off. So I figured that might help, but it also has argan oil in it. It's a deep moisturizer. And then this other one is coconut curling cream, defines, moisturizes, and helps strengthen strands. So I like to use these to kind of bring the curl back. I wet the hair and I bring it back. If you'd like to see a like kids hair routine video, let me know. I also got this. I love this. I always buy this one. It's moisturizing curl activator cream, and this just kind of brings the curl back. I wet the hair and I use this, but I really like their products. And if you go to Target, a lot of times they have a sale where if you buy $20 worth or you buy a certain amount, you get a gift card or something. So I would say check that stuff out. The other thing I got this last week, I think it came in last week, was this blanket from Amazon. This blanket's really cool. I forgot the company. I'll try to figure it out and put everything in the description. But this blanket is like cold on this side, but not cold on this side. And if you're like me, I like getting into the bed and the blanket is still cold. Like, that feels really good to me. I don't know if I'm crazy, but I like that. And this blanket is cold right here. Like, I'm not lying. It's literally, it's not freezing cold. It's not cold. It's just cool. And it's supposed to keep that cool temperature. So, and it's pretty big. It's a pretty big blanket. I forgot how much this was, 20 or 30 something. But, and they had two different colors. I went for this color, but I really, really like this. So I keep this on the couch. I need to bring it upstairs. We also have weighted blankets. And if you haven't tried a weighted blanket, we got those a while ago. So I'm not going to throw that into this video, but I am going to tell you about it because it's really cool. They're super heavy. I love it. And Coco hates blankets, but if she's sitting on the couch, she will use the weighted blanket. So if you don't have a weighted blanket, check it out because they're awesome. Let's see, what's the next thing? Oh, I only have one more thing to show you. I do have my bag coming in. If you didn't see my other video, check my other video out. I'll link it below and right there. But I do have a bag coming in. It will probably show up today after I have done this video, but I do have that coming in, and I have some clothes for the girls, but I honestly don't know if there's going to be a holdup on those items. I know the bag was shipped the other day, but the clothing items, I don't know. So whenever they come, I'll get around to a clothing haul or something. I don't know. Anyway, the last thing I got is this. So it looks crazy, right? It came in this box. It actually came from my friend Natalie. We're doing a twin collab interview video. But my friend Natalie, I make her thumbnails for her. Check her channel out. Her thumbnails look great. You're welcome, Natalie. But she always offers to pay me, and I tell her no, because if I was gonna charge someone to make their thumbnails, I would probably charge like $20 a thumbnail. So I wouldn't charge her that because I love her and I wouldn't do that. But she has one of these and I was like, oh my God, that's so awesome. I want one. And she actually ordered one and had it delivered to my house for me. So that's so nice. I got it in last night and I've already been using it. I've been hooking it to everything. So it's really stiff, which I guess it's supposed to be so that it doesn't lose its stiffness over time. It's super stiff. Okay. It's super stiff, but you twist this thing here for the clamps and you can clamp it wherever you want. The clamps go up and down. And the reason I wanted this, which is not, I won't be able to use it for that anytime soon, but I wanted this so that I can clip it onto my wagon. You know, I love my wagon, but I vlog a lot, and when I'm able to vlog, I'm always using my wagon while we're out. So I want to clip this onto the handlebar of my wagon and be able to hold my phone or my camera and just vlog without having to one-handed push a wagon full of kids. So I think this will be awesome because it's super long compared to the other ones I looked at on Amazon. So I'm super glad she got this one for me. She has this one also, but that way I can freely vlog without hands-free vlogging while I'm just pushing the wagon. So I think that'll make for great content. And once we're able to get out of the house and do that, I promise we're going to have all those family vlogs coming back in. But just realistically, our lives are kind of boring. I can do some morning routine videos because our morning routine has changed. And honestly, the last morning routine video we did was horrible because I was new at YouTube. I can do some of those. I can do some hair routines. Let me know if there's anything you would like to see that can be done in the house because like I said, we will not be leaving. We are doing our part to try to stop the spread of that and keep ourselves and our family and everybody else safe. So let me know if there's any kind of videos, you know, you would like to see. But that's why I originally wanted this. And she ordered it for me. I'm super grateful because I love it. I'm thinking about doing like some cute dancing videos, me and the kids dancing and just having a good time in the house and having it like clipped to our desk and then the camera here, and then it just catches us having our nice family moments, the moments you don't really get to see unless maybe you see it in our stories, and most of the time I'm not in them because I'm the one behind the camera. But I'm super grateful for this. This is called a gooseneck something. I don't know, but it's a cell phone stand model Ivy, rose gold, and it is about 33.5 inches long. So it's pretty long. But this, I think, this is the nail thing I'm most excited about. I'm really excited about this. If you didn't notice, I did paint my nails recently, and it's probably the first time in a long time. But these are the things that I've got. Oh no, one more thing. One more. So I ordered this about a week ago. Yeah, about a week ago. This is Divine Alpha Hydroxy Acid Skin Rejuvenating Therapy. Another Amazon buy. I think this was like $14. The reviews looked okay. Like people put their before and after pictures, and I was looking. So this is basically like an acid peel, glycolic acid 40% solution. So I've used it a few times and it feels like it works. You're not supposed to use it for like 30 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on the sensitivity of your skin. It feels like it works. So I don't know if I've noticed any real results, but I feel like it's working just because it's like tingling and I'm like, whoa. You just put it on like one of those little cotton pad things and you wipe it on your face, you leave it on there for a little bit, and then you like, it says flush your face, so I just keep rinsing and rinsing and rinsing and rinsing. And I mean, I like it so far. I feel like my skin routine that I've been doing has been making a pretty big difference. Now I'm rambling, people. I'm rambling because I don't get to vlog, you know, and I just want to talk to everybody, so I'm rambling. But I like that so far. I don't know. Whenever I do another video, maybe like some kind of review video or skincare, something, I'll try to bring that up and let y'all know how I like it so far. But the combination of all of the things I've been using on my face, I've really been liking the slow progress there. Anyway, so I'm rambling. I'm rambling, people. Let me know. Do you miss the family vlogs? Because I miss it. I feel like my creative side is being stiffened. It's being muted. But anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye.